Hey KidQuesters, Jason here, and I know you can't see much, but you can hear a lot. We're in the pond just next to my house. We've had a pretty dry winter and beginning of spring. Over the last week or so though, we've had a lot of rain, and the pond that's next to my house is filled up probably about a foot of extra water runoff from the ground around it. Now what you can hear are at least a couple of different species of frog, because when the rains come in, it's a signal to them it's time to breed and lay eggs. Because the eggs have to be laid in water, and tadpoles grow up in the water, and then they begin to grow legs and lungs and climb out and become frogs. And what you're listening to is actually called a chorus. All the males and females come out together, the males call, and the females zero in on the one that they want to mate with. Now, as you can imagine, standing here, I can't actually pinpoint a single frog very easily. Let's see if we can get a little closer to some in the pond here. There's a little guy. But if you listen carefully, if you were standing here, you'd see it's really actually tough to find a single call of these frogs. And that works to their advantage, actually. By all coming out at the same time and calling at the exact same time, it makes it really tough for predators to single in on an individual animal. And that way, predators can't find them in the pond. So if they're all out breeding at the same time, now if a single frog was out here calling all by him or herself, then a predator might actually be able to come up, like a raccoon or some other nighttime predator. Now what they'll do is as soon as the male and the female find each other, they'll fertilize those eggs, lay them in this great big pond, and leave them. And they'll find a nice place to shore up, enjoy the winter or the summer weather, and little extra rains. Let's see if this guy moves. Oh, I hear a bullfrog. Oh, there he went. There are at least 4 different kind of frogs calling all at the same time. Alright, that's all for now, folks. I hope you're all having a wonderful spring and frogs are as active where you are as they are here. Until next time, enjoy the adventure.